students, welcome to my channel. In this chapter, vector calculus, we have to study the basic of vector calculus. Basics of vector calculus: gradient, divergence, curl. Gradient, del pi. Del is an operator. Pi of x comma y comma z be a scalar point function is differentiable. Del pi is equal to I into dou pi by dou x plus j into dou pi by dou y plus k vector into dou pi by dou z. Next, divergence f vector. Divergence means dot product. Del dot f. Del dot f vector. Del is equal to I vector into dou by dou x plus j vector into dou by dou y plus k vector into dou by dou z. F vector is equal to f1i plus f2j plus f3k vector. Here I dot I is equal to 1, j dot j is equal to 1, k dot k is equal to 1. Dot product means del dot f. Del I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y k plus k dou by dou z. Dot f vector, f1i vector plus f2j vector plus f3k vector. I dot I 1. Multiply dou by dou x into f1. Dou f1 by dou x. Next, j dot j 1. Dou f2 by dou y. K dot k 1. Dou f3 by dou f. Next, curl f vector. Curl f vector is equal to cross product. Del cross f vector. Del cross f vector. Del is equal to I dou by dou x plus j vector dou by dou y plus k vector dou by dou z. I vector, j vector, k vector. Determinant I vector, j vector, k vector. Coefficient of I vector dou by dou x. Next, coefficient of j vector dou by dou y. Coefficient of k vector dou by dou z. Del. F vector, I vector coefficient f1. J vector coefficient f2. K vector coefficient f3. Expand the determinant. Now we can expand this determinant. First we close I vector. First we close I vector. We can write the remaining two. Dou by dou y into dou by dou z. f2, f3. Plus, minus, plus. Next, j vector, minus j vector. Next, we write as minus j. J vector. Close this column. Remaining dou by dou x, dou by dou z. f1, f3. f1, f3. Next, plus. Plus k vector. Plus k vector. Close the k column. Dou by dou x, dou by dou y. Dou by dou x, dou by dou y. f1, f2. f1, f2. Plus I, minus j, plus k. First close this column. Second this column. Third this column. Plus I, minus j, plus k. By expansion, determinant method. Cross multiplying this. Multiplying this term. I vector dou f3. Dou f3 by dou y. Dou f3 by dou y minus dou f2 by dou z. Dou f2 by dou z. Plus, next minus. Minus j vector. Cross multiplying this diagonal. Dou f3 by dou x. This minus dou f1 by dou z. Next, plus k vector. Plus k vector. Multiply this diagonal. Dou f2 by dou x minus this diagonal. dou f1 by dou y. If f vector is equal to x square I vector plus y square j vector plus z square k vector, then find del dot f and del cross f. Del dot f vector means divergent f vector. Del dot f is equal to divergence f vector. Del cross f vector is curl f vector. Curl f vector. Curl f vector. Dot product divergence, cross product curl. First we find dot product, divergent f vector. First we find divergence f vector. Divergence del dot f vector. Del dot f vector. Del is an operator. Del is I vector dou by dou x plus j vector dou by dou y plus k vector dou by dou z. Del is an operator. This I dou by dou x plus j dou by dou y plus k vector dou by dou z. Dot. This is dot product. F vector is given x square I vector plus y square j vector plus z square k vector. Dot product means find the product of I dot I. I dot I is 1. So we can write dou by dou x into x square. I dot I 1, we write dou by dou x into x square plus next j dot j 1, j dot j 1 dou by dou y into y square plus next k dot k 1 dou by dou z into z square. Now we differentiate partially. Partial differentiation, x square. Differentiate x square with respect to x. Only 2x. Y square differentiation with respect to y, 2y. Z differentiation 2z. This is divergence, del dot f. Next, del cross f. Del cross f or curl vector. Curl f vector. Del cross f is equal to determinant I vector, j vector, k vector. I vector, del I vector coefficient dou by dou x. First we write del coefficient. Del vector coefficient. I vector, j vector, k vector. Dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z. Coefficient of I, coefficient of j, coefficient of k vector. F vector, x square I. Here I coefficient x square, j vector y square, j vector coefficient y square, k vector z square. Now expand by determinant method. First we close the first column, remaining dou by dou y, dou by dou z, dou by dou y, dou by z, y square z square, y square z square. Now we close I vector, we write I vector here. Next, j vector, this is plus, minus, plus. Next, we should write minus symbol, minus j vector, close the second column, write the remaining, dou by dou x, dou by dou z, x square z square, x square z square. Next, plus k vector, close the third column, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou x, dou by dou y, x square y square. x square, y square. First close the first column, I vector dou by dou y dou z, y square z square, plus I minus j vector. Second column, close the second column, dou by dou x dou by dou z, x square z square. Next plus k vector dou by dou x dou by dou y dou by dou x dou by dou y, x square y square. First this diagonal, dou by dou y into z square, dou by dou y into z square minus dou by dou z into y square. First minus j vector. Second this diagonal, dou by dou x into z square minus dou by dou z into x square, dou by dou z into x square, plus k vector dou by dou x into y square, dou by dou x into y square minus dou by dou y into x square, dou by dou y into x square. Differentiate with respect to y. 0. No y term, so 0. Minus no z term with respect to z, 0. Minus j vector. Here no x term with respect to x, so 0. With respect to z, no z term, 0. Plus k vector. With respect to x, no x term, so 0. Minus with respect to y, no y term, 0. So answer 0. All terms are cancelled, 0.